Most choice is the fifth column. Everywhere we have 0. So if we just delete one column, okay, at once 5 zeros are died. Okay, now we'd love to see at other rows and columns which row or column has maximum number of zeros. We can see here this first row has 2 zeros. Then this D row has 1 0. If we look column wise, again 1 0 every time. So the first choice is the best one. The first row is deleted. If we do that, okay, then at once again 2 zeros are gone, and now only 1 0 has survived. So let us kill it. If we want to do that, we have two options: either we delete the second column or we delete the fourth row. Let us do this. Okay, so just by drawing a few horizontal and vertical lines, all zeros have been covered. No zero is survived here. Okay, so let us see how many lines are required actually. This line did a great job for us. So this was the first line, second line and third line. We could finish our operation by needing just 3 lines. Now look at the number of people available to us. Actually 5 people, 5 jobs. Okay, so we said that the order of the assignment problem is 5. So the order of the assignment problem is 5 and we needed only 3 lines. Okay, these lines are again reflected in the slide showing step number 3. So we'll look at the slide, and this is step number 3. Okay, these lines are reflected over here. So we can see that we needed only 3 lines. Actually in the slide we can see that first row is deleted and second and fifth column are deleted. All zeros have gone. So now this is where we would love to confirm that number of lines must be equal to the order of the assignment problem. We have 5 people and just 3 lines. આવું ન ચાલે. આપણે એવું કરવું પડે કે આપણી નંબર ઓફ લાઇન્સ એટલી જ હોવી જોઈએ which is the order of the assignment problem. Okay, so એનો અર્થ એવો થયો કે આપણે થોડી વધારે લાઇન્સ, વધારે zeros generate કરવા પડશે. So let us have some process how to generate these. Achha, we can see one thing. If we look at the slide again, in the first row we have 0 7 0 5 0. Okay, we can see the first line that 7 and 0 are special elements. They are in red fonts. 7 and 0 એવા elements છે, એવા numbers છે કે જ્યાં horizontal and vertical line intersect કરે છે. So they are intersecting places, we can say. So look at any other ideas. The second column is deleted and 7 is the only one where 2 lines meet. Otherwise 6 4 0 1 there are entries where vertical line appears but horizontal doesn't. Okay, so these two are very special elements for us. And again, we'll see, I think we'll see the slide again. The first row, according to the slide, is gone. And second column, okay, and so the fourth row is 2 0
5 1
5 1
0
0. Okay, so which is the third line? Second column is deleted. Okay, first row is deleted and the last is deleted. So this is the deletion. As I said, number of zeros are not sufficient enough. This is really not good that we are doing the job in just 3 lines. What to do now? What we do is we'll look at the table again and we'll find out which is the element which has minimum value and which is not deleted. जो बच गए हैं. Okay, एमाथी minimum number कयो छे. So again, if you observe this, this 1 is minimum. અમુક zeros minimum હતા પણ એ તો બેચારા કપાઈ ગયા છે. જે નથી કપાયા એમાંથી 1 minimum value છે. Okay, so we'll start with this number 1. What we do is we'll subtract 1 from all those who have survived. આપણા 4 બચી ગયા છે. આપણે 1 minus કરીશું. 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus. Okay. બીજા બચી જનારા લોકો 5 minus 1 3 minus 1 5 minus 1 7 minus 1. Okay, તો જે બચી ગયા છે એમાંથી આપણે -1 કરીશું because -1 was the minimum from those who were not deleted. Okay, that is first thing. Second thing, જ્યાં lines intersect કરતી હતી આપણી horizontal અને vertical lines, ત્યાં આગળ એ જ number subtract થવાને બદલે add થશે. 7 was privileged enough, તો 7 હવે બની જશે 8. આ 0 હવે બની જશે 1. તો આપણે ક્યાંક subtract કરીએ છીએ, ક્યાંક ઉમેરીએ છીએ. ક્યાં સબટ્રેક્ટ થાય છે? જે લોકો બચી ગયા હતા, જે લોકો કવર નહોતા થયા ત્યાંથી 1 માઇનસ થાય છે. ક્યાં એડ થાય છે? જ્યાં આપણી લાઇન્સ હોરિઝોન્ટલ અને વર્ટિકલ લાઇન ઇન્ટરસેક્ટ કરતી હતી ત્યાં આગળ એક પ્લસ થાય છે. ઓકે, સવાલ એ છે બાકીના લોકોનું શું? જે નથી તો બચી ગયા, નથી તો ઇન્ટરસેક્શન, એ એમનેમ રહેશે. Okay, so this 0 will be as it is, this 0 will be as it is, this 5 will be as it is. Okay, now what are these numbers? Now 4 minus 1, this becomes 3. 5 minus 1, this becomes 4.
3.
4 minus 1 becomes 3. Okay, now this is 2 minus 1, so 1. 3 minus 1, so 2.
0.
This is 0, again 0, 2, 6, 4.
1. Dima.
2 minus 1 is 1. This is 2.
2.
Okay. So we can see this step is on the slide. So the next slide, gives that. So as we say, yeah, next slide, please.
It's not there.
Yeah, next slide gives that number of lines. Previous slide actually told about it. That number of lines were 3 and order of the problem was 5. So we'll say that the problem is not ready for the assignment. So the problem is not in a condition that we can attack it. Okay, so as we were talking, let us generate some more zeros. So next slide gives us the same. This is step 4, which we did actually on the board, is reflected in the slide. We can see that, those highlighted numbers, 7 and 0, okay, they are improved because of that red marked 1. 1 is the smallest element which are not covered by the horizontal or vertical lines. એટલે 1 આપણે બાકીનામાંથી સબટ્રેક્ટ કર્યો. ઓકે, અને આપણે એકચ્યુઅલી સબટ્રેક્ટ કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. This one is going to be subtracted. એ 1 સબટ્રેક્ટ થશે, ઇન્ટરસેક્શન પોઈન્ટ પર મળશે. ઓકે, અને બાકીના એલિમેન્ટ્સ એવી રીતે રહેશે. સો ધ નેક્સ્ટ સ્લાઇડ is actually, this is step number 5. Okay,
you're done.
so these are the numbers which are the fresh numbers with us. We could generate some more zeros actually. These numbers are, we can see on the slide. So 0,
0,
8,
0,
0,
5, 1,
5 and 1,
then 3,
3,
6,
6,
4,
4, 3 and 0,
1,
1,
4,
4,
2,
2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 4, 0, 0. That is the fourth row, and the fifth row is 2, 1, 6, 2, 0. Okay, so some more zeros are generated by that process. Again, we are going to do the same process. We would love to cover these zeros by minimum number of horizontal and vertical lines. Look at the board. Again, fifth column is the superstar. Not 5, but at least 4 zeros appear. Okay, so the first victim is column number 5. That goes. Okay, so at a time 4 zeros are gone actually. Okay, see where other maximum number of zeros are. This first row has 2 zeros. This is not having enough zeros. This is having just 1. Again just 1. 2 zeros actually. If you look column wise, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0 and 2 zeros. Okay, so let us do one thing. 2 zeros are in this column. So let us delete this.
we can
So
delete row
2
also.
zeros are gone.
We can delete row also.
We can read. Okay. Even first row is there. Still, there are 2 zeros available to that row. So 2 zeros are gone. Okay. How many zeros are still appearing? Okay. Only 1 zero. That is here. So suppose we delete the row. Okay. So again, we could do the same process. We tried to cover all zeros by minimum number of horizontal and vertical lines. It is optional. Suppose it comes in the fourth column as well as second column, fourth row as well as second column. Either you can delete fourth row or you can delete second column. So it is optional. This is one way of doing it. Okay, so by doing this process, at least there is one advantage to us now. Last time we needed 3 lines, but the order was the assignment problem was 5, so the difference was 2. This time we needed one more line, 2 vertical and 2 horizontal, so we needed 4 lines. Okay, so now the difference has shortened, but again it is not sufficient enough. We can see that there are 4 lines which we required and the order is again 5, so we are not still done. Okay, we go to the next slide which gives us this on the screen.
Correct.
Okay, so fine. So we can see that first row is deleted, fourth row is deleted, and fourth and fifth columns are deleted. So we'll have to do the same operation again. So let us come back to the blackboard to go for the same operation here. So we come to the board now. So what did we do last time? Again, let me remind that what we did is we could locate the shortest, the smallest element from those who survived. Of course, it is 1. Okay, so 1 is the smallest element which survived and did not get deleted. So 1 will be subtracted from all uncovered elements. So this is uncovered. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Here also minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So those
क्या
who
minus
are not covered, everywhere
ना
minus 1.
माइनस वन नहीं थे सर डी रो में नहीं था डी इज कवर्ड
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, D is covered.
ओनली ई रो
So E row will have minus 1, then C row will have minus 1, and B row will have minus 1. So those elements which were not covered will have minus 1. Okay, now this 1 is added to the locations where lines are intersecting. We have this 5 where horizontal and vertical line meets.
इट वाज
So plus 1, it is an intersecting spot. There is one more spot here, plus 1. There is one more, plus 1 and plus 1. These are the 4 places where horizontal and vertical lines meet. Okay, so 1 is added over there. What about the other elements? This 0, it is not uncovered. At the same time, it is not the place where lines intersect. So it will be as it is. So there are 3 things actually. At some place we have to subtract, at some places we have to add, and there are some places which are unchanged. Okay, I just would like to remind, it is subtracted which was not covered. So these are not covered elements. So 1 is subtracted. Intersecting places, it is added, and those who are the third case, okay, they will be as it is. So our new table comes to us. We can see on the slide.
दिस
Okay, so step next. So again, as we say, number of lines were 4 and order was 5. So again, problem was not ready, and we can go to the next slide, which is giving us the new table. Okay, so we can see the new table numbers are these.
क्या वन हो
The numbers are 0, 8, 0, 6, 2, 2, 5, 3, 3, 0. The third row is
0
0, 3, 1, 0, 0. That is 1, 0, 4.
then 1 हो सर क्या 1 હતો मिस्टेक्स that was intersecting point but 1 Go
Okay,
ahead,
shall we go to the last slide, please? Yeah, it was. No,
There
it
also
is
the-
next. We have to go to the previous one, and again previous. We are going. Yeah. It was actually 1. So 1 will be as it is, right? Okay. Then 0, then 4, and 0 was intersecting, so it was 1.
then 0 now again 1
Again 1. Okay, and finally 1 is subtracted, so 1. Last row we are referring to.
0
2
0.
becomes 1, 1 becomes 0,
5
6 becomes 5,
Nothing.
2 is
Two.
unchanged, and then
Zero.
0 is unchanged. Okay, so let us verify the numbers. First row was 0, 8, 0, 6, 2.
there is
Okay.
C on the board
Okay, so this is the new table with us on the board. 0, 8, 0, 6, 2. New numbers are available to us
Can
on the
see
board as well.
board.
So let us see on the board
नहीं board
that
શું કરે
okay, so we have this new fresh table available to us. We can see that some more zeros have entered our family. Again, we are going to do the same job. We would love to cover zeros, all zeros actually, by the minimum number of horizontal and vertical lines. So see, fifth column, is getting weaker now. Earlier it had 5 zeros, but now again we can see on the board that the fifth column has weakened actually. There were 5 zeros, now there are only 3 zeros left with us. Okay, so but anyway, 3 zeros is still a big number, so I think it is the highest. So let us delete this fifth column. So at the same time 3 zeros are gone. Okay, look at the first row. How many zeros? So we have 2 zeros here, here no zeros. In this we have 2 zeros again. There is only 1 zero, and there is only 1 zero. If you look at the column, there are 2 zeros here 2 zeros, here 1 0, and here also 1 0. So number of zeros, highest number of zeros is 2. So we have choices actually. Either we can delete first row or second row, or maybe first column or the second column. We can go for anyone. Let us go for the first row, say. So the first row is gone. Now look at the other things. Now this 2 is gone. So again this third row, okay,
थर्ड डिलीट करो.
will have two numbers, 2 zeros.
Two zeros.
So let us delete this row. Okay, still we have some zeros left with us.
Column wise.
Okay, column wise. This first column has this, second column has 2 zeros. Okay,
That will go.
so it is gone. Okay, is it done?
Fourth column. Baकी nothing.
Okay,
Okay, fine.
would love to check the numbers again on the slide.
That is wrong, sir. This is right.
Yeah, this is fine. So
5 minus
08062 was the table, and number of lines were 4. Okay, we go to the next slide,
Next slide is nothing.
which is, let's go to the previous slide actually. The number of lines were,
This one.
no, step 8. Okay, so 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines.
Here I have drawn 3 vertical lines, but that was wrong.
yeah.
Okay, so I think this is final. Okay, so again we can see that we have how many lines?
Four.
One horizontal, second horizontal.
4
Okay,
lines.
so 2 lines, 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. Again the same thing. We have number of lines 4, but order of the assignment problem is 5. So this problem is really bothering us. Let us go for the process again. What is the minimum element which is uncovered? Once again, the credit goes to 1. Okay, so 1 is going to be subtracted. Okay,
Don't worry.
so 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 from those uncovered elements.